Hello everyone, this is Devupiro Vishwas. My hometown is Satkhira. It is located in Khulna division in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. Today I am going to tell about the tourist spots of Satkhira. Satkhira is known for its natural beauty, cultural heritage, historical site and as a gateway to the Sundarban. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest in the world. It is also an UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for its wildlife including Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer, crocodile and different kinds of animals. It has some rare trees. Another tourist spot of Satkhira is Mandarbaria Sea Beach, which is situated in Shamnagar Upazila. Deer, seabirds, crabs are also seen here. There are also some historical and religious places in Satkhira. Nalta Sharif, which is situated in Kaliganj Upazila, is a respected Islamic spiritual center known for its peaceful atmosphere and annual Urs festival. Tetulia Jame Mosque in Tala Upazila is a historic 19th century Mughal style mosque. Jashoreshwari Kali Temple in Ishwaripur, Shamnagar is an ancient Hindu temple. Sonabaria Mothbari Temple, which is an old temple complex in Sonabaria village, Kolarwa, is also an ancient temple. The Mayerbari Temple in Satkhira Sodor is an important and religious place for Hindu devotees. Besides this, there are also some tourist places in Satkhira like Durgapur Dighi and Palace, Muzaffar Garden and Parks, Ruposhi Devata Mangrove Forest. From all over the country, people from all over the country come to visit these places. The economic importance of these places is very significant. This tourism enriched our local economy, and there are also some sweets and sweets like Sandesh, which is very popular here. I want to request all of my audience to visit Satkhira and enjoy the vibrant nature and historical sites. Thank you everyone.